In the last lecture, you learned that the one thing that can really transform your marketing results is taking that scientific approach. And in this lecture, I want to share with you 5 of the best free digital marketing tools. I use all of these tools almost on a daily basis. I will be showing you as we go through the course how to use them in a lot more detail, but I did want to share them with you up front now so you can really get benefit from them straight away. The first tool is the Keyword Everywhere browser extension. This is an SEO tool and it's fantastic for understanding what people are searching for in Google. For example, I've searched for SEO checklist, and because I've installed this free tool, I can see underneath the search bar here that almost 3,000 people per month search for SEO checklist. Now, this search volume data helps me to understand that this is a popular topic, and maybe I can get traffic from the search engines to my website if I create a blog post around this topic. What I really love about this tool is that it can help you to uncover huge areas of opportunities that you would never normally find. Because that search volume data is always visible, you can see how popular topics are as you search in Google and go through your day, and this has led to some surprising insights for me. The second tool that you can benefit from straight away is SimilarWeb.com. This is a great free tool for competitor analysis, and it puts a ton of information at your fingertips. For example, I've typed udemy.com into SimilarWeb, and now I can see where Udemy get their traffic from geographically. I can also see where they get their traffic from in terms of the different marketing channels. Normally, you would never have access to this type of information, but now you can use this tool to uncover your competitors' marketing strategies so that you can replicate them for yourself. The third free tool that you can use right away is Canva.com. Canva enables you to easily create professional looking designs very quickly. They have a ton of templates that you can use to create blog graphics, social media posts, marketing materials, and much more. I'll be showing you how to use Canva step by step to create a header for your Facebook page and YouTube channel later on in the course. The fourth free tool that you can use right now is vidIQ. It's like the SimilarWeb tool that we saw, but for YouTube. And like SimilarWeb, it uncovers a ton of hidden information. Once you've got it installed, you can see all of this extra information beside every single YouTube video, including how many subscriptions have been driven, what are the keywords that they're trying to rank for, and even an SEO score for the video that you can really use to build upon and improve so that you can beat your competition. The fifth free tool is a Google Analytics custom dashboard that I've put together for you. This isn't available anywhere else, and it will save you a ton of time digging through reports trying to find useful information in Google Analytics. Once you've got it installed, you will see this dashboard showing you where your visitors are coming from geographically, a breakdown of traffic sources, your busiest day in terms of traffic, and your most popular content. It's also just a fantastic overall report to monitor the health of your website on a daily or weekly basis. You can import this dashboard into your Google Analytics account right now just by clicking on this link. And if you don't have Google Analytics set up, don't worry, I'll show you how to do it step by step later on in the course. To recap, in this lecture, you learned about the 5 best free digital marketing tools. They are all listed out in the course notes, and I've put a direct link in this lecture, so you can go ahead and use them right now or wait till we get to them in the course. Coming up in the next section, we're going to start on your first project to create a buyer persona and unique selling proposition. I'll see you there.